Hello guys, welcome back to Food Crunch with Phyllis, and I'm your host Phyllis Boache. Today we are going to eat Koose. So I want to say Anem Sambo to you all. Go and find what the meaning is. Anyway, so as I said, we are going to make Koose. This is very simple, very delicious. It can be as a starter. It can also be as an appetizer. It's the same, right? Anyway, so you can eat it with your koko, or at the end of the video, I'll show you what I eat mine with. Okay guys, so we are done. Easy, right? Very easy. So make it at home and comment below. Thank you very much for watching the video. Kindly subscribe, hit on the notification bell, share please. Anyway, I told you at the beginning that I will show you how I take my Hausa Kosi. This is a new style. Okay, this is not me. Usually I eat it with koko. So let's review a product that I love so much. Mensdo Bisap. This is no ordinary sobolo. This is Mensdo sobolo, Mensdo Bisap, and this is the sha, 2 liters. And it comes in ginger and then mint. All their products comes in ginger and mint. Either one that you want, you can have it. This is the Savannah. Yes, this 500 ml Savannah. This is plastic bottle, very beautiful bottle. Yeah, all black. The Savannah. And this is premium. This is the premium one for the Mensdo Bisap. This is glass. So for the classy people out there, this is for you. Premium, classy. The last one is the farmer's choice. And this one can be customized. So if you're having your wedding or a funeral, you can have your picture all over it. Yeah, we want to show off, so we want to do that too. Anyway, so guys, you can have this at any supermarket, any big supermarket around the country, or I'll also leave the a number you can contact if you are interested in one of these. Okay, so see you guys, and give me feedback if you ever try men's do bisap. Okay, bye.